Hello, I would like to introduce our latest designed 2 colors fully automatic CNC screen printing machine. This machine, the purpose of designing this machine is to specialize for those different shape bottles printing, but with not big printing quantity. So you could use this machine. Now the machine you see is 2 color screen printing. We could make it 2 colors, 3 colors, 4 colors, up to 6 colors maximum. So this machine is also the CNC fully servo automatic screen printing machine, which is fitting for all those cone shape, round shape, oval shape, square shape, triangle shape in one time running through in 360 angle screen printing. This is the touch screen. The upper is for the CCD registration. The down is the control of the machine. Now engineer is still modifying the program of this machine. So let me introduce further. This is the side wall scan CCD registration, and this is the bottom CCD registration. This is the fire treatment, print treatment. It could be also interchanged with the plasma treatment system. This is the automatic servo robot loading. It's same as the rotary machine loading system. Bottom CCD registration, fire treatment, loading, and see, now it's loading to the bottle, the first color printing station, and then LED curing, and then second color printing, and then LED curing and unloading. So both, as you see, screen frame servo, quick G servo, print station servo. It is also have the inclination function, which means if the cone shape is thick, it's also fitting. Has the incline function. We named this straight line multicolor screen printing machine. Unloading robot. This is the unloading robot, loading the bottles to the conveyor, to the unloading conveyor. This is the inclination for big cone shape bottles printing.